Hey super coders, Iron Man is back, and today, it's quiz battle time. Till now, you fired lasers, blinked Iron Man's eyes, and powered his reactor, but now, can you beat my superhero quiz challenge? Let's find out. Look at the numbers from 1 to 8, seems like a game show? These are 8 questions. Means 8 chances to prove your hero IQ. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. What does pinMode 8 output do? Option A. Read a button on pin 8. Option B. Control something like an LED. Option C. Make pin 8 go low. Correct answer is option B. It makes pin 8 ready to control an LED. Question 2. What happens with delay 200? Option A. Blinks LED very slowly. Option B. Pauses the program for 0.2 seconds. Option C. Turns the LED off. Correct answer is option B. It pauses the program for 0.2 seconds. Question 3. Which pin blinks Iron Man's eyes? Option A. D3. Option B. D7. Option C. D8. Correct answer is option B. D7. Blink blink. Question 4. What does digitalWrite 4 high do? Option A. Turns off the laser. Option B. Reads the value of pin 4. Option C. Turns on the laser blaster. Correct answer is option C. It turns on the laser blaster. Question 5. What does pin D3 control? Option A. The arc reactor. Option B. Iron Man's eye LED. Option C. Jet flight lights, hands and legs. Correct answer is option C. Jet flight lights. Question 6. What's the purpose of void loop? Option A. It runs once. Option B. It runs code again and again. Option C. It turns the board off. Correct answer is option B. It makes your code run again and again. Like an endless roller coaster. Question 7. Which pin makes the arc LED blink every second? Option A. D8. Option B. D3. Option C. D6. Correct answer is option A. D8. Question 8. What's the speed of the heartbeat LED in class 2? Option A. 1 second. Option B. 0.2 seconds. Option C. 2 seconds. Correct answer is option B. 0.2 seconds short delay, just 200 milliseconds. Great, you did it. You have passed the superhero quiz challenge. Remember, real heroes don't just copy code, they invent new powers. Prepare yourself for the next DIY mission.